Hello, I am Froggy, and guess what? Today is Anna's birthday, and I am so excited because she will be getting a lot of gifts, and I can't wait to count them all by adding them together. Addition can be a lot of fun. Come learn with me, friends, as I count Anna's gifts using word problems in addition.
Anna woke up to a big bag of presents from her dad and mom. Dad gave her 9 gifts, and her mom gave her 7 gifts. How many altogether? "16. Anna has 16 gifts. Her teacher gave her 1 box of present. How many does she have now? "17. Anna has 17 gifts. Her friend Tom gave her 3 more gifts. How many does she have altogether? "20. Anna has 20 gifts. Her friend Ella gave her 3 more gifts. How many does she have altogether? "23. Anna has 23 gifts. Her home tutor gave her for more gifts. How many does she have altogether? "27. Anna has 27 gifts. Her uncle gave her 7 more gifts. How many does she have altogether? "34. Anna has 30 for gifts. Her grandma gave a mystery bag with for gifts. How many does she have altogether? "38. Anna got 38 gifts altogether for her birthday. Hurry!
Wow, hope you had fun counting Anna's gifts. Addition looks great, right? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.